There's 4 traditional ways of being able to provide your services. So that's as a sole trader, using an umbrella company, agency PAYE, or through your own limited company. So I'll just briefly describe what the differences are between them. Sole trader is the easiest. It's basically you decide you're going to start a business up on your own. You don't need to register with anyone. You just start trading. So all you need to do is set up some invoices and just get out there and start trading. All of the income and expenditure you generate then goes on your tax return. So at the end of the year, you put it all on your tax return and you pay your tax due. So very simple, very straightforward. The downside with it is you've got no kind of legal protection. So if you do something wrong or anybody makes a claim against you, all of your assets are at risk. So you could lose your house or your car or any of the possessions you've got. So very straightforward, very simple, very easy to start trading, but not one for the long term, so not one we really recommend. You could go down the umbrella route. So what an umbrella company does is employs you. So you get all the employment protections as a permanent employee, and they take away all the hassle of actually invoicing the clients on your behalf, collecting the cash, the money, working out your tax and paying it over to you. The added advantage is if you've got any travel expenses, then you can also claim some of those through there. So ClearSky doesn't do an umbrella company, but we're part of the Parasol family, and Parasol is one of the largest umbrella companies in the UK. So that's a good way to start your career, and most contractors new to the business will actually probably go down an umbrella route in the first instance. Agency PAYE is another alternative. It's kind of in between being a sole trader and being with an umbrella. So you don't get any of the employment protection, so you don't get things like maternity pay or sick pay, but what you do get is the agency actually calculating how much tax and national insurance is due. So you just hand in your timesheets, they take care of the rest for you and just pay you into your bank account. So very easy thing to do and really simple to set up. The last one, which is really more for, I'd call the professional contractor, somebody who knows contracting is going to be a future career for them, is to set up your own limited company. That'll give you the best net return because you can do some tax planning to ensure you get the best return on the income you receive. But it does come with some kind of restraints. So you're running your own company. That's got responsibilities. You'll be a director of your own business. Not everyone can be a director. So if you've been struck off or bankrupt in the past, you may have a problem. But that would be my recommendation for most people looking at contracting as a full-time career. If you don't know what you want to do, probably go down the umbrella route or agency PAYE, but after that, really look at the limited company as being your trading option. Okay, well, ClearSky is just a firm of accountants. We specialise in contractors, but we're just a firm of accountants. So we're staffed mainly by chartered accountants, so we can do all your books and do your bookkeeping and do all your records. But we know what the contractor market actually needs. So we're specialists in areas such as IR35, so we can provide you specialist contract advice around that. And we can do all your day-to-day stuff. So we can help you with your VAT returns, we can run a payroll for you, we can help you with your dividends. If you've got some extra income, we can help with some tax planning, looking at pensions, and all those sorts of areas. So just imagine us as your traditional high street accountant, but we actually specialise in knowing what contractors want and be able to deliver a service to them which meets the business needs, but also the hours they work. So we're very flexible in when you can see us and how you provide us with information and how we get back to you.